Hey guys, what's up? It's Mike Chen. Welcome to my kitchen here in South Korea. I'm so excited to bring this recipe to you today. I'm nervous and excited at the same time. First of all, I do want to say I'm sorry I haven't uploaded so long on this channel. I just didn't have any time. I'm going to New York. I got restaurants opening, then traveling here. I just never had time to really sit down and settle down somewhere and cook a lot of food like I used to. But once the new year rolls around, there are going to be regular uploads on this channel, at least 2 videos a week. I am working on that. But for now, I bring you this. Again, this is my first time cooking this recipe. I came to Seoul and I was talking to one of my friends and she asked me, have you ever tried dumpling fried rice? And I'm thinking, I've tried dumplings, I've tried fried rice. I've never tried dumpling fried rice. What is that? So apparently there was this trend in South Korea where people took dumplings, and you can do any dumplings you want. I have here some kimchi dumplings, and they cooked the dumplings, they steamed it or they microwaved it, and they broke it up. And they made fried rice out of it. This could be a breakthrough, guys. So today we are gonna give it a try. I am gonna take it up a couple of notches because I feel like I do want a couple of eggs in my fried rice, and I wanna add some Spam. But other than that, the only ingredients I have is, of course, the dumplings. The best brand here in South Korea is bibigo. I got the kimchi dumplings because I feel like that's gonna give the rice a little acid, a little crunch, which I'm gonna love. When it comes to rice, you can just go to any Korean supermarket or convenience store. You can get these ready to microwave rice. And I got some Spam that I wanna use. And for flavoring, what I saw in the videos, all they really added was some oyster sauce. I think I'm gonna add some oyster sauce. I got some soy sauce here in case I need it. And I have some sesame oil. So this is all the ingredients I have. Let's make some dumpling fried rice. First thing I gotta do, I gotta cook the dumplings. I don't wanna boil it because I don't want my dumplings to have too much moisture. So I'm gonna go ahead and just steam microwave this. Dumplings into the bowl. I'm gonna throw 10 of them in there. But then there's like only 3 left, so yeah, whatever. It's dumpling fried rice, right? More dumpling the better. Also, 13. Kind of unlucky, but I got a good feeling about this. You don't want that much moisture in fried rice, so I'm gonna steam this. So half a cup of water, and then plastic wrap. Microwave a few minutes till it's cooked. Dumpling is done. Make sure you remove any excess water. This is a really good time to have scissors, and usually in Korea, I would have scissors, but this place doesn't have any, so I'm gonna use my metal chopsticks. Break the dumplings up as much as possible. Oh, also, since I do have some scallions, and I'm gonna do an extra step. You don't have to do this if you don't like Spam, then really we can't be friends, but I think it's gonna be amazing with a little additional Spam. And I'm gonna tell you guys something I always do with Spam. Sugar on both sides. So when you put this into the wok, it caramelizes just a little bit. You're gonna love that flavor. Also, I'm sorry to keep adding this from the initial ingredient list, but I found a couple of eggs. Fried rice with eggs, it just has to be that way. So I'm gonna scramble a couple of eggs first. Cook it till it just solidifies. Put it aside. Add some oil. Throw the Spam in there. And sear each side. Again, you don't have to do this, but why wouldn't you want to? Now, you could have chopped the Spam up before and coated it with sugar and tossed it in there, but there's something just poetically beautiful about watching whole slices of Spam just caramelize and get a slightly little burn and toasted. I love that. Scallions go in. Toss your Spam. Trust me, sugar on Spam, heavenly. Little sweet, little savory with a tiny little bit of crust. Dumplings are gonna go in. Finally, rice. A little oyster sauce. A little soy sauce to taste. That is looking and smelling great. Splash of hot oil. Finally, toss your eggs back in. All right, my first bite of dumpling fried rice. That tastes surprisingly good. It still tastes very much like a dumpling. It feels like I took a bite of dumpling and then I took a bite of fried rice. So pretty much the best of both worlds. Maybe I should have fried the dumplings instead of steamed it. This way the skin is crispier, so it has more of a texture, because that's the only thing I'm kind of not liking about this is the skin of the dumplings. You know what? I take that back. There's certain bites of the skin where it soaked up a lot of the flavor. It's got a nice textural chew to it. Spam is 100,000% splendid in this. If this was Forrest Gump the movie, the Spam will be Forrest Gump. You know what? This is really not bad. You go nice little crunch from the kimchi. I think this is a really clever way of eating frozen dumplings, or maybe even leftover dumplings or leftover rice. Pretty genius, gotta say, whoever came up with this. I mean, seriously, you take dumpling and fried rice, you put it together. It's like if Brad Pitt and Halle Berry had a baby. How could that be bad? So for my first try of this fried rice dumpling hack, I like it. I think you guys should definitely give this a try. Maybe do different flavors of dumplings. I think like pork dumpling here would be fantastic because of that great porky fat and juice leaking into the rice. The only other thing I would change is that Korean rice is kind of on the sticky side. I think this would be better with jasmine rice. So it's fluffier and a little less soggy. But overall, whoever came up with this, salute to you, my friend. You've done the food world a great service by being the ultimate food matchmaker. There you go. That's gonna be my food salute from now on. That's like eating a bun. I'm in Korea. What can I do? Just pick the stuff up everywhere. Anyway, guys, go give this a try. Let me know how you like it. Let me know what combo you used. Except for nobody do this with the broccoli dumpling, okay? That is just sacrilegious. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Until we cook again, see you later.